Hello students, now we'll go for the new chapter, that is the circles. Okay, now we'll go for the today only definitions and a little terminologies of the circles. Clear children? The introduction part is, what is first one? Circle. Maybe you know already what is the circle definition, but we will revise again. Okay, circle. A circle is the collection of all points. Collection of all points. We know it is a closed figure. Yes. Closed figure means what is here? Collection of all the points. This one is all collection of all the points. It is a closed figure. Clear children? A circle is the collection of all points in a plane. Okay, in a plane which are equidistant. Which are equidistant from fixed point. Suppose this is the fixed point. Fixed point in the plane. That is the definition of the circle mathematically. Equal distance. This one everywhere, every side it is equal distance. Clear? Read again the circle definition. Actually, circle is a closed figure. A circle is the collection of all points in a plane which are equidistant from fixed point. This is the fixed point. Okay, in the plane. Clear children? Now, what is the fixed point is called? The fixed point is called, what is here? Center of the circle. Fixed point is center of the circle. This is generally denoting what is O. Clear? Now, what is the equidistant from fixed point? This one. What is this called? Tell me. It is, what is it? It is the radius of the circle. What is this one? Radius. Equidistance. What is your equidistance? From center or from fixed point. What is this one? Radius of the circle. Clear children? Now, radius we know. This one, and we know another one also. What is? It's a diameter. Later we will discuss about that one. Before going to that one, in a plane, if you draw the circle, the plane is divided into three parts. Okay, what is that one? Suppose I am drawing the circle. This is the whiteboard is a plane. I am drawing a circle here. Okay, this is the circle. Then I told you how many parts? Divided into three parts. Clear? What is this one? You know it is center of the circle. Yes. The inner part is called what is? Interior of the circle. The inner part is called what is? Interior. Interior of the circle. First one done. First one, interior. And now come to the second one. Here outside of the circle, what is called? Generally we know that is exterior. This outside portion everywhere, exterior. What is this one? Exterior of the circle. And one more, on the circle. It is a circle. The third part is what is here? Circle. This whole thing is also one part. That is circle. Clear children? In a plane, if you draw a circle, that's a plane. What is the circle is divided into plane into three parts. What is? Interior, exterior and circle. Total three parts. Clear children?